Dear student, good morning. Today's topic is chemical formula. It gives the representation of a molecule of a substance in terms of symbols of various elements present in it. Example, copper sulfate. So there are three elements in it. Copper has one atom, sulfur one atom, oxygen has four atoms. Carbon dioxide, simply carbon has one atom in this molecule and oxygen has two atoms. Another example, ammonia, NH3, nitrogen has one atom and hydrogen has three atoms in it. So in a simple chemical formula, you say how many atoms are form a molecule. Student, the second, mass percentage. It gives the mass of each element expressed percentage of the total mass. So, mass of that element in 1 mole of compound multiply by 100 and divided by the molar mass of the compound. In NCERT book, question 1.2 is describe of this formula and how can we calculate the mass percentage of any substance in a molecule. Calculate the mass percentage of different elements present sodium sulfate. So student, first we calculate the molar mass of sodium sulfate. In this, sodium has two atoms, sulfur has one atom, oxygen has four atoms. So 2 multiply by sodium, 1 multiply by sulfur and 4 multiply by oxygen. We put the relative atomic mass of each substance. Sodium relative atomic mass is 23, so multiply by the 2. Sulfur relative atomic mass is 32, multiply by 1, then sum. Oxygen has relative atomic mass 16, multiply by 4. So after the sum of all the substance, it is 142. So 142 gram per mole is the molecular mass of sodium sulfate. Student, in this question, they want what it is the mass percentage of each substance. So mass percentage of sodium is equal to, there are two atoms, so 2 multiply by 23, then multiply by 100 and divided by the total mass of sodium sulfate, which is 142. So the answer is 32.39. Student, so mass percentage of sulfur has only one atom, so 32 multiplied by 100 and divided by the 142. So the mass percentage of sulfur is 22.53%. Student, so mass percentage of oxygen is equal to, there are 4 atoms in sodium sulfate, so 4 multiplied by 16, then multiply by 100 and divided by the total mass of the sodium sulfate, 142. So answer is 45.07. Student, the another topic is which is known as empirical formula. The formula which gives the simple whole number ratio of the atoms of various elements present in one molecule of the compound. Example, benzene C6H6. So there are carbon has 6 atoms just similar to the hydrogen. So the empirical formula is C ratio H is equal to 1 ratio 1, means carbon is similar to hydrogen. Student, molecular formula, the formula which gives the actual number of atoms of various elements present in one molecule of the compound. You read, for example, carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, carbon has one atom and oxygen has two atoms. So, what is the relation between empirical and molecular formula? Student, is shown by the integral. N is the ratio between N is equal to molecular mass divided by the empirical formula mass. So you can calculate the N. Student, in NCERT book, the question number 1.8 clear this formulas use. It is determine the molecular formula of an oxide of iron in which the mass percent of iron and oxygen are 69.9 and 30.1 respectively. Given that the molecular mass of iron oxide is 159.8 and atomic mass is iron 55.85 AMU and oxygen is 16.00 AMU. So first we calculation of empirical formula of ferric oxide Fe2O3. It is the chemical formula. Student, in a vertical column, each step you can remember for solution of each type of numerical problem which is based on the empirical formula. First vertical column is belong to element, second their atomic mass, third is percentage of composition, then fourth is moles of atoms, fifth is mole ratio and sixth is whole number ratio. So student, in a ferric oxide there are two elements, iron and oxygen, Fe. Atomic mass is around figure 56, percentage composition 69.9. So we can calculate the mole of atoms divided the percentage composition by their atomic mass. It is 1.25. Mole ratio. Student, in a column mole of atoms, which is the lower value, you can divide by it. So 1.25 is the lower value. 1.25 divided by 1.25, it is 1. Whole number ratio will always be the SCF of mole ratio. In mole ratio you can see 1 and 1.5. So a number which is 0.5 can divide 1 and 1.5 also. So whole number ratio 1 is divided by 0.5. So it is 2. Now we can point rise to the oxygen. Student, oxygen has 16 atomic mass, percentage composition in question given 30.1. So 30.1 divided by their relative atomic mass 16, it is 1.88. Then mole ratio 1.88 divided by the lowest value of moles of atom 1.25, so it is 1.5. In whole number ratio, the SCF 0.5 divide 1.5, so it is 3. So student, the empirical formula mass of Fe2O3 is 2 into 55.85, which is the relative atomic mass of iron, plus 3 into 16.00. 16 is the relative atomic mass of oxygen and it has 3 atoms in Fe2O3. So the sum is 159.7 gram per mole. So student, you know, N is equal to molecular formula mass divided by the empirical formula mass. So 159.8, it is a molecular formula mass divided by the empirical formula mass. You can calculate in above 159.7. It is equal to 1. So molecular formula N multiply their formula mass Fe2O3 is it equal to Fe2O3. By this type of numerical, you can solve the question which are based on the empirical formula or molecular formula mass. So student, thank you very much.